friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to cook turkey legs, moist and juicy, especially for Thanksgiving. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and I am ready to prepare the turkey legs. Yes, a very easy recipe, very few ingredients, but yet the flavor of the turkey legs are going to be perfect and delicious. First, I'm going to dice the whole onion nice and thin so I could put them on the bottom of my baking dish. I want to make sure that they're nice and thin, and I'm going to pull them apart. Once you pull them apart, you're going to really cover the bottom of your baking dish. Let me show you how easy it is to prepare your amazing and delicious turkey legs. Once you pull them apart and you add them in here, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and you're adding the whole garlic cloves. Yes, the whole garlic cloves, and I have about 6 of them. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then just mix away, making sure that everything is nice and coated with the salt, black pepper, and vegetable oil. You want the onion to be really coated before you put it aside and you start laying right on the top. You're going to lay your turkey legs. Look at this. Leave the skin on because the skin is going to have so much flavor. It's going to be so crispy and delicious. And you're going to be fighting for that skin, let me tell you, especially with all these seasoning. Black pepper, butter. I have garlic powder, parsley. And you'll have all the ingredients in the description box. Smoked paprika, rosemary, and of course, salt to taste. And here I'm just going to mix away, getting all the butter covered with all those spices, all those flavors that are going to give the turkey legs an amazing taste, especially the skin. That's why I said do not remove the skin. Leave it on so that when you start adding all the spices and butter, the skin is going to get really nice and crispy, but yet the brown meat is going to be so moist, so tender, and full of flavor. And now I am ready to start adding some lemon. Of course, we're going to add 1 whole lemon, the juice of the lemon. So now let's start ready and let's start preparing our legs. I'm going to pull the skin out, pull it out, add some butter with all those spices inside. Do the same thing with the next one, pulling the skin out, adding all those spices inside, and then covering the whole piece right on the top. We're going to cover it with all that butter and spices. Oh my gosh. I know my home is going to smell amazing. I know my neighbors are going to say, oh my gosh, now what is she cooking today? Because let me tell you, the aroma of all those spices and the turkey legs is just going to be perfection made at home. Making sure that you don't have no seeds behind. We're going to go ahead and start adding the lemon right on the top. Preheat your oven 450. It's going to go in the oven for about 2 hours. Of course, cover it with foil paper, put it in the oven, and then leave it there. Leave it there for 2 hours and a half. And when you come back, the skin is going to be so crispy and delicious, and the dark meat is really absorbed all those amazing juices and flavors of the butter. And all those drippings, what can I tell you? All those drippings are going to go right on the top. And this is going to finish up these amazing turkey legs. Of course, you could enjoy it with some pasta, with some rice, with the salad, with some mashed potato, you name it. But here I'm only showing you how to prepare and season your turkey legs. And now I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. But I want to show you how tender the meat is. Remember those garlic cloves? They really left all the aroma and the flavor and the drippings. And now we're adding that right on the top. You love this recipe? Like, subscribe, and share. And let me show you how tender, how moist the meat is. Look, it pulls apart. And of course, nice and juicy. Can't wait to enjoy. Like I said, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and you could make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look at this. This looks amazing. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing turkey legs. Let me tell you, this comes out delicious and amazing. When you put it in the oven with all those ingredients, it comes out really juicy, really flavored. And I know you guys are going to love it. Thanksgiving is around the corner, so let's start making our turkey recipes. Let's see how this came out. And with all those juices, amazing. Mmm. So tender, so juicy. Perfection made at home. If you liked I love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing turkey legs. Sweet, juicy, and amazing. See you soon. Bye-bye.